Good morning everyone, I'm Sam and this is Samri.
We are Team Tribalite, studying in grade 7 at Excel Public School, Mysore.
Our theme is tribal empowerment with a focus on smart solution for tribal and hilly regions.
Our problem statement is to design a reliable emergency communication solution for tribal communities living in remote forest areas. When mobile networks are weak, terrain is difficult, and distress signaling during emergencies are nearly impossible.
Tribal communities in forested regions face life-threatening delays during emergencies like animal attacks, accidents, sudden illness, or natural disasters. There's no mobile signal, no internet, and no fast way to call for help. Traditional methods like shouting, fire signals, or sending runners are slow and unreliable. This communication gap leads to preventable deaths and deepness mistrust in rescue systems. To understand the real situation, we interviewed Mr. Murlidhar CS, the founder of Nari Trust, who works closely with tribal communities. He shared real stories of how emergencies unfold and how often help arrives too late. Our secondary research included government reports, policy papers, and academic studies, all confirming the same issue. Tribal regions lack infrastructure independent emergency communication tools. To address this, we developed RakshanDhwani, a wearable emergency alert device that works without mobile networks or internet. It uses LoRa technology to send distress signals and GPS location to rescue helps instantly.
RakshanDhwani has two parts, a wearable transmitter with a microcontroller, push button, GPS module and LoRa module, a receiver hub with LoRa receiver, microcontroller and LCD display. When the button is pressed, the device sends a distress packet with the user's location. The receiver displays the alert in real time, helping rescue teams respond quickly. Most existing systems are expensive, complex, or limited to specific emergencies.
RakshanDhwani is low cost, easy to use, and covers multiple emergencies. It empowers tribal youth as first responders and supports community driven rescue.
RakshanDhwani bridges the gap between remote tribal communities and emergency support. It's simple, durable, and culturally adaptable, designed to save lives and restore trust.